I am Dr. Narendra Singh Chaudhary. I am Senior Consultant in Department of Hepatology at Medanta the Medicity Hospital, Gurugram. Patients think that alcohol is root cause of liver disease. If someone is not taking alcohol, he or she will not develop liver disease. It is a myth. It is false. Common causes of liver disease are hepatitis B, hepatitis C, alcohol and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So alcohol is not single cause of liver disease. There are other causes also like viral hepatitis and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease that contribute to a significant proportion of patients with liver disease in India. Generally, people think that if there are no symptoms, there cannot be liver disease. It is false. Most of patients with liver disease develop symptoms at advanced stages when liver disease is not reversible by medications. Patients with early stage, that is reversible by exercise or lifestyle changes or medications, most of patients will not have symptom at these early stages. So patients at high risk of group should check their liver health by investigations. Persons think that liver disease is always fatal. It is not so. Early stages can be reversed by treatment. Late stages, progression to end stage can be slowed, but it cannot be prevented once there is decompensated cirrhosis or cirrhosis at advanced stage. But these patients can go for transplantation and they get a new life. Some persons think that liver disease affects older persons only. No, it affects young persons also. In fact, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is present in 1/3 to 40% of Indian patients. Because progression is very slow and no symptom in majority, we are not able to pick up these diseases at early stage, and awareness is important.